Hello, and welcome back to Mandarin Odyssey. I'm Leo, and today's journey takes us through the art of discussing and sharing past experiences in Mandarin. Sharing stories is a cornerstone of connection, and today you will learn how to do just that. Mandarin doesn't have tenses like many other languages. Instead, we use time markers and context to indicate past events. Let's start with the basics. For example, in English, if you say, I went to Beijing yesterday, you see, the verb go changes to went. That's the difference between Mandarin and English. In Mandarin, the verb doesn't change. It's still去. It doesn't change to another character, like English, go to went. For example, if you want to say, I went to Beijing yesterday, in Mandarin is 我昨天去了北京. We use context and words to indicate its past event. In this phrase, it's 昨天, so we know its past event. It's yesterday. 我昨天去了北京, and this 了 used after a verb indicating action completed. So we also know it's a past tense. It's past event. And another difference is the order of the sentence. We talked about this in the previous lessons. In English is I went to Beijing yesterday. But in Mandarin is the order of the sentence is I yesterday went to Beijing. Oh, it's a B. There's a B. Sorry. Is he gonna bite me? 他会咬我吗？我这个手也没穿衣服，还在这里。Still here. B we say 蜜蜂，蜜蜂。好 ，OK, let's continue. So in Mandarin, 我昨天去了北京. When the action happens, when the action occurs, we call it a modifier for the verb. Since it's modifier, we put before the verb. So it's 我昨天去了北京. How the action happened, when the action happened, at what place the action happened, we call them modifier. But if it's how long the action lasts, then we call it complement. Then it puts after the verb. For example, I've been in Beijing for 5 years. Then the order of the sentence is 我在北京住了5年了. The verb is 住, lived in Beijing for 5 years. 我在北京住了5年了. In this phrase, in this context, 5年 for 5 years put after the verb because it's a complement of the action. That's a big difference. As long as you understand this grammar, then you've overcome almost at least half of the Mandarin grammars. Now let's practice. Let's focus on the grammar point, the. How do you say, I drove my car yesterday? How do you say this one? Let me see how many characters. 8 characters. You have 8 seconds. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm counting too fast. 我数得太快了。6, 7, 8. Very good. Should be 我昨天开了我的车. Excellent. 开 is the verb for drive vehicles. Like 开车, drive cars. 开公共汽车, drive a bus. Well done today. You've taken a significant step in being able to share and inquire about past experiences in Mandarin. These skills will not only help you in social interactions, but also deepen connections with others. In our next lesson, we will explore expressing opinions and preferences. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time. 再见。